Are you sick and tired of grinding your badges and need a reliable source to grind them for you? Make sure to go hit up JC the Plug on Twitter or Instagram. They're one of the most cheapest and most reliable badge grinding services in the 2K community. And if you use code JC at checkout, you will get yourself 5% off. Yo, are you in need of the new events clothing glitch or as well the mascot glitch on your own player without even being an Elite 3? Make sure to go hit up JC the Plug on Twitter or Instagram because we are currently plugging everyone up with this glitch, and make sure to use code JC for 5% off your next purchase. Yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy JC and I'm back with another video for y'all today, and in this video I got y'all the new working part of the mascots glitch in NBA 2K20 after patch 14. You already know I'm the plug out here. Check this out. We got the Atlanta Hawks mascot right here. I know most of you guys do want this, so if you guys do want mascots, any events, any suits, anything possible, make sure to go DM me on Twitter or Instagram at JCThePlug. Link to that will be down in the description. You already know I'm going through these orders like crazy. It takes me 10 minutes to do, and as well, make sure you're money ready because I am answering all my DMs as fast as I can. But right here in this video, I'll be demonstrating how to get this glitch, how to do everything, and as well, I'll be having the files. Now, if we can hit 20,500 subscribers, I'll be dropping all my files, every single file there is possible. So make sure y'all crush that down below. Let's get 300 likes on this video. Come on guys, show some love right here. Enough of the talking, let's get straight into this video. Now, once you guys are in the account you are going to want to be using for this glitch, the first step you are going to want to be doing is actually going into 2K20. Now, you guys might be a little confused for this, but basically what we're going to be doing from here is just making sure all the files are transferring to our save data application management, because if you do not have all those files right there, this glitch will not be able to work. So all we're going to be doing right here is just going into 2K, and right when we log in, we're going to go straight back out, close the application, and then we'll go into our settings. Very simple right there. This glitch has 13 steps, basically like the same thing as before, but now the only thing different is we have all the new files that are here. So basically there will be more files coming out with unlimited boost, the logo glitch, legend glitch where you get 40 extra badges, and as well there's a my team glitch. So guys, be ready for all this stuff. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button and as well turn on the bell because this next coming week is about to be lit. But once we are in the 2K app, like I said, we're just going to close the application right here, and now we are going to go into settings. So right here, once we are in settings, we're going down to application save data management. Make sure you have your USB plugged in. You're going to click save data in system storage, copy to USB device, click OK, and you're going to select only the user data right there. So this will take 5 seconds to load. Very simple right here to do. And once that is loaded up, now you're going to go on your PC. This is the part you go on your PC. So I'm going to switch screens with y'all, plug in your USB to your PC, and I'll get to you guys in a second. Okay, so now that you guys are on your PC screen, as you guys can see my layout, everything right here, what we're going to be doing is first off clicking save wizard. So right here, you're going to be activating your save wizard, and you want to make sure that you have 3 profiles. Like, just make sure there's an open slot at least, but make sure like this is a new save wizard, everything like that. So now once we are in the save wizard, we're going to click resign. You're going to see this CUSA. You're going to double click that, and then right here there's going to be a blue screen where it says user data. That's our user data from the PS4 account. So what we are going to want to be doing right here is we're going to right click on this, and we're going to click register profile. Now make sure you do enter in a name. For myself, I'm entering in this name. For the customer, I'm going to click apply, and they're going to be activated in the account. So now what I'm going to be doing from here is I'm going to be closing save wizard just to make sure that this really does work. Now this person bought the mascot, which one was it? It was the Atlanta Hawks. So right here we have the Atlanta Hawks with the red suit, and you see everything right here. So right here, we're going to be clicking on the Atlanta Hawks, and as you guys can see, we have all the files right here. We're actually going to be using the Hawks mascot. So right here, you have the Hawks mascot. You click this, you click save data, and you have this number. Now you're going to put this on the right side of the screen, and now you're going to have your USB plugged into your PS4. It should already be there, but for myself to reactivate the USB, I'm going to unplug it and plug it back in. This is what I usually do, and then my USB file will pop up on the screen right here. So you see this side, the left side is the PS4 file, this is the mascot file. So I'm going to double click save data, and this is my PS4 numbers. So I'm going to transfer this, I'm going to drag and drop it over. You do not have to drag it where it's highlighted, just drag it in the file right here. It's going to load, takes a couple seconds, and once that is done loading, you should have two files right there. Now you're going to close both of those, and you're going to go back in the save wizard right here, and it's going to open up the app. So right here, once it does finish loading, you're going to go to resign, and you're going to double click the CUSA. Now you guys can see you have all these files right here, but you're only going to want to be using one of them. So you see this is the PS4 file, here is the mascot. So we're going to click resign on this, click OK, do not check the box. Then you're going to make sure it's on the right name, and you're going to click apply and yes. And now this will take up to 15 seconds to finish up resigning, loading all the way through the bar. And once we are through that, I'm going to put the link to the website you guys will need to go to make sure you verify your account and you can sign into your 2K account. Very simple right here, very easy step to do. So I'm going to be showing you guys that right after this bar fully does load. And it's, like I said, very simple. Make sure you guys do enter in your information because you will need this, otherwise the glitch will not work. And right here you guys can see resigning successful, delete the original save. Don't click that, just click OK. So right there, everything's good. Now once we are at the 2K website, I'll get back to you guys on the screen shortly. Okay, so right here you guys can see I am on the 2K website. Like I said, I'll put the link on the screen. But right here, what you're going to want to be doing is signing in, and once you're signed in, this is what you'll see. You'll see all your accounts, everything. You're going to want to remove all accounts. Once you click OK, that is it. Now once you are done with this step right here, what you are going to want to be doing is going back to the PlayStation. You're going to make sure your USB is plugged in to your PS4, and I'll get back to you guys with the screen of the PlayStation because this will be the last set of steps. Okay, so now once you're on your PS4, you're going to click save data on USB device right here. Click copy to system storage, select the file. It's going to be one file, which will be the user data. So that's the only file you'll see. You'll click copy, do not click apply to all, just click yes right here. So it'll take very shortly to load. You're going to click back into the 2K20 app right here. Now there's going to be a couple steps left to do in this glitch and we'll be all set. Very simple way to get yourself free mascot, free suits, free events, anything you want. Logos will be coming soon, and as well unlimited boosts. So be ready for that. I do actually end up charge people for this, so if you guys are money ready, make sure to go DM me on Twitter or Instagram to do this because I'm one of the cheapest prices out there. So now once we are loading back up into the screen right here, it's going to want to make us verify our account, which we are going to do. You do need to end up doing this, and make sure you do verify the email once you do get that after you are finished with this glitch right here. So like I said, very simple. You're going to go over to connect, click X to click connect one more time, and now it's going to bring up your date of birth, all that stuff. Just make sure you put something in. I always try to put in 1999. That, like, I always know it works when I put it on 1999. So right there, double click that, click I agree right here, and type in your 2K email. Make sure it's the same exact thing, because if it is different, this will not work. So make sure you are typing in the right email. Otherwise this glitch will not work and you do have to redo everything, which is a hassle. So make sure you do take your time when you are typing in everything. I've learned that the hard way and it's not pretty. You have to redo everything and it's not good. So right here we're typing in their email. We're almost done with this and we'll be almost set with the glitch right here. So right here I'm clicking gmail.com, and once we are done with that, it will load up right here. So make sure you guys do have everything correct. Make sure to double check it right here. Once you are good to go, click X. It will load back into 2K, and you know it did work when it does do that. But if it says something else where you have to click X, then it did not work. Now once we are here and everything is loaded up, go to my career, click launch player. Now if you're doing this for yourself, you'll actually see all your players here. So yeah, you can just load straight into the park, but for me, I'm doing this for a customer, so I do not have all his files. So I'm basically making a new player. This will not transfer over to his account, so don't worry about that when you do see the 60 overall and everything. Only the closed transfer over. So right here we're clicking yes, and it's going to come up as free agency. So very simple step right here. We're just going to click continue. We're going to select any team we want. It does not matter. And right here we're going to get the mascot, so it's actually pretty dope. We're going to go straight to the neighborhood right here just to show you guys that this really does work, and hopefully you all are still watching right now. I'd really appreciate if you guys are. Thank you all so much. But yeah, make sure y'all click that like button, everything. Go show some love by hitting that subscribe button. You already know we're on that grind to 21,000 subscribers, so you already know. But right here it is loading up, so for the moment of the truth, we will find out if this really does work, because you know sometimes this does not work for people, and that only shows that you did something wrong. So you want to make sure you do take your time when you do this. You guys might be thinking, well, why are you going so fast through this? I've literally done over 90 orders in a couple days. I've been grinding this glitch for people and it's crazy. So right here we're at 85%. Let's see what is going to come up on our screen right here. It's actually pretty hype. And as you guys can see, we have the Atlanta Hawks mascot. Look how dope this is, guys. Check it out once this event thing goes away. But you already know we got the icon, we got the legend. Everyone's checking this out right here. Look at this thing. This thing is pure beauty right here. So if you guys do want this, make sure to hit me up on Twitter or Instagram at JCThePlug. You already know I'm the plug out here. But yes, this is pretty much it for this glitch. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. Make sure to hit that like and sub button if you guys are new. It's been your boy JC, and I'm out.